Have you looked in the mirror lately and felt a little discouraged by the lines around your eyes or mouth? You've probably tried all the fancy expensive creams that promise to erase years overnight, only to be disappointed. You are absolutely not alone. The truth is, most wrinkles are caused by internal factors, and no topical cream alone can reverse them. The stakes are higher than just looks. Feeling good about how you look ties directly to your confidence, energy, and overall well-being. The good news? You can turn this around with 7 simple natural remedies you can start today, right in your own home. I'm Dr. David Thompson, and I help seniors in the US, UK, and Australia feel stronger, look sharper, and live their best lives. Stick with me until the end, and let me know in the comments if you've ever felt misled by a fancy face cream. Let's get you on the path to feeling younger and more vibrant. Remedy number 1, internal hydration for skin plumpness. Our first remedy is the most fundamental yet often overlooked: deep internal hydration. Here's the thing, your skin is over 60% water. When you're dehydrated, your skin cells literally shrink, making wrinkles and fine lines look far more pronounced. Think of dehydrated skin like a dried-up prune, and properly hydrated skin like a plump, juicy grape. Science shows water is key to maintaining skin turgor, that youthful bounce and fullness. How to implement it. Instead of just sipping water all day, try adding a squeeze of lemon or cucumber to your water bottle. This encourages you to drink more and also adds electrolytes. Aim to finish 1 full glass of water first thing in the morning, before coffee or tea. It's an easy, classic habit that only takes 2 minutes and instantly helps you achieve the goal of feeling younger and more vibrant. If you're finding this helpful so far, please take a second to hit that like button. It helps this important information reach more people who need it. Remedy number 2, the secret of silk. This is one you'll be surprised how easy this is, and it works while you sleep. Switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. Why it's important. Those sleep lines or sleep wrinkles that appear first thing in this morning, they become permanent over time because cotton pillowcases drag and pull on your delicate facial skin. As our skin loses elasticity with age, it doesn't bounce back from that friction. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology supports that reducing skin friction can minimize the formation of sleep-related creases. How to implement. Do we swap out your regular cotton pillowcase for a silk or satin one? They are much gentler on the skin, causing less tugging and leaving your face smoother. It's a small, one-time investment that helps you stay active and confident because you're preventing new wrinkles without any effort. You simply go to sleep. Remedy number 3, an everyday kitchen oil. Next up is an all-natural, highly effective moisturizer you likely already have on hand: extra virgin olive oil. Here's the thing. Wrinkles deepen when the skin's natural lipid barrier is compromised, leading to moisture loss. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E and potent antioxidants that help repair skin damage and trap moisture. Unlike many expensive creams that contain chemicals, olive oil is pure and penetrates the skin to deliver long-lasting hydration. How to implement it. After washing your face in the evening, gently dab a small amount, literally just a few drops, of olive oil onto damp skin, focusing on areas like the neck and around the eyes. You don't need much. This is a simple, affordable alternative to costly night creams. Use the excess on your hands to keep them feeling stronger and smoother. Remedy number 4, the collagen-boosting food. We can't talk about wrinkles without talking about collagen, the protein that gives skin its structure. Our 4th remedy is simply making sure you get enough bone broth or gelatin. Why it's important. Collagen production naturally declines after the age of 40, leading to sagging and lines. Bone broth is essentially a liquid form of collagen. Consuming it provides your body with the amino acid building blocks, like glycine and proline, it needs to produce its own collagen and elastin. This is key for restoring that youthful elasticity. How to implement it. Try swapping your afternoon cup of tea for a mug of warm, savory bone broth. It's a nourishing drink that replaces your usual routine. If broth isn't your favorite, add a scoop of high-quality, unflavored collagen powder to your morning coffee or smoothie. This powerful habit doesn't just help your skin, it supports your joints, helping you move easier for years to come. Quick reminder to subscribe if you haven't already. I release new actionable health tips for seniors every week, and you don't want to miss a single one. Remedies are 5, the sun's silent threat and how to fight it. This one isn't a food or a cream, but a habit that prevents 90% of skin aging: daily sun protection. Here's the thing. Even on cloudy days, UV rays penetrate the skin, breaking down collagen and elastin faster than anything else. Sun damage is the single biggest contributor to wrinkles, age spots, and that leathery look we all want to avoid. You don't need to hide inside, but you need protection. How to implement it. Make it a non-negotiable habit to apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 to your face, neck, and the backs of your hands every single morning before you head out for your walk or trip to the shop. Picture enjoying a morning walk in the park while your skin is fully protected. This simple step keeps you staying sharp by protecting against sun-related health issues, while also keeping your skin looking its best. Remedy number 6, the facial muscle relaxer. Our sixth remedy targets the wrinkles caused by years of facial expressions. Magnesium-rich foods, why it's important. Lines like those 11 lines between your eyebrows are often caused by constantly tense facial muscles. Magnesium is nature's muscle relaxant. It helps muscles relax, which can naturally soften the look of expression lines and prevent them from setting deeper. Magnesium is also vital for hundreds of bodily functions, including sleep and nerve health. How to implement it. Increase your intake of magnesium-rich foods like almonds, cashews, dark chocolate, a small square, and avocados. For instance, a handful of almonds as a mid-morning snack is a perfect, easy addition. You'll find you're not just softening your lines, but you're also sleeping better and feeling calmer, which is key to moving easier through your day. Remedy number 7, a gut health connection. Our final, most surprising remedy involves an entirely different part of your body: probiotics and gut health. Here's the thing. The connection between your gut and your skin, often called the gut-skin axis, is real. A healthy balance of good bacteria in your gut helps reduce systemic inflammation throughout your body. Since chronic inflammation is a major accelerator of skin aging, keeping your gut healthy can dramatically slow the breakdown of collagen and elastin. How to implement it. Add fermented foods to your diet, like Greek yogurt with live cultures, kimchi, or sauerkraut. These are easy to find and incorporate. Swap your usual breakfast toast for a serving of yogurt with berries. This simple change is a foundational step toward feeling younger and boosting your overall defense system. Let's quickly recap. You now have 7 powerful natural remedies to fight wrinkles from the inside out. Hydration, silk pillowcases, olive oil, collagen, bone broth, daily sunscreen, magnesium, and probiotics. These simple, actionable steps, like drinking more lemon water, protecting your skin from the sun, and eating your magnesium, can genuinely transform the texture and tone of your skin. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing skin that reflects how energetic and vibrant you feel on the inside. These are the steps that get you there. Now, it's time to take action. Which of these 7 remedies sounds most interesting for you to try first? Drop it in the comments right now. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe for more trusted advice, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. This is the second installment of our Health After 60 series. Check out the last video, 6 superfoods that prevent macular degeneration in seniors, right here. And don't miss our next video, just 1 vitamin to restore elastic skin naturally. You won't want to miss those secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.